Hello, welcome to the tutorial on the brackets coding text editor. And you may hear my family in the background being noisy. Apologies for that. And we are going to go over brackets and how to set it up. We're going to kind of briefly talk about what brackets is, and yeah, we're going to so I generally, all this information is also in the lecture PowerPoint, but I generally personally learn better when there's a video tutorial. So this is my attempt to show you in a video tutorial. So let's, for brackets, you use it for building websites. It uses HTML, CSS, which is primarily what we're going to be using, but it also has, you can use JavaScript in it, as well as other coding languages. It is a professional tool. Do not do Dreamweaver. We're not going to be covering Dreamweaver. Dreamweaver is a paid product. It's generally not used in the industry, whereas brackets is it's free, and everyone in the industry uses code text editors like Bracket. Now there are other ones that are just as good, Sublime, Atom, and then Visual Studio is actually a little bit more complex and better and more professional. And you certainly can learn that on your own, as it's good to know at least a couple of text editors. But for now, we're just focusing on brackets. And there's also information in the lecture about Visual Code as well. Visual Studio Code is what it's called. So let's go to the website. And that website is brackets.io. And it's just like any other where you download, and it's both for PC and Mac. So you download brackets, and I like putting it into my applications, even the download. But so we save it here, and we let it download. It doesn't take too much room. It's 105 megabytes, so we'll let that happen. And so not only are we going over brackets, we're also going over a little bit of file management. So that is something we are going to be going over today as well. So you got the DMG. Let me open it. And you could look at the website about it. Why use brackets? Brackets is lightweight yet powerful modern text editor. We blend visual tools. It's really my favorite coding text editor. So yeah, you can read some information about it and everything. Okay, so check this part out. You take the brackets icon and put it in your applications. Now, if you were at school, there's a glitch in the school computers that you just leave this alone and you don't drag it in here, or it won't work. But since you have your own laptop, it will work. Now, all laptops or desktops will work with brackets. I don't think Chromebook will work. So if you have Chromebook, maybe check out a laptop from the school. So drag here, and it's in there. Copying brackets. Sorry, it's taking. Maybe I'll re-edit some of this so it takes quicker, so it doesn't take as long. All right. Let's see. Okay, so now we got brackets. Let's open up brackets. Let me find it in my applications. I like to drag brackets down into here, into your little docket, because you're going to be using it a lot. This is your main tool that you'll be using for building websites. All right, so we are going to open it up for the first time. Yes. And so check this out. You already have index, HTML, and main CSS. You already have, and you have some images. So you already have a structure going on here. And let's go see what it looks like. This is HTML, and you don't have to know what this means yet. And this is the CSS. So check out the different. It's called Getting Started Index.html main CSS. This is what the CSS looks like, and this is what the index. HTML. HTML means hypertext markup language. That's like the bones of the web, and then the CSS is cascading style sheet, and that is basically like the skin. That's the design. That's the color. That's the hair. That's the color of the eyes. So that's all you really need to know for now. So let's quickly. There's only 2 extensions that it comes with. A little extension manager, and then this live preview. So whenever you want to look at the website that you've built, you have to go back to index.html and click on the lightning bolt. Welcome to live preview, and you get to see this exciting website template that it comes with. Okay, so there you go. Let me find where this is. Let me see if it's in here. 1 second. Sorry, I'm flailing around a little bit. Okay. Let's see. Hold on. Okay. So Getting Started is the name of it. Let's put this Getting Started somewhere else where it's easy to see, because you want to keep this template, and it's almost like your first, assignment. So I'm gonna put it. I've already created a brackets summer 2020 folder. So I'm gonna put it in there, and I'm gonna save it. Okay. File management is incredibly important. So you don't mess with this here. Just keep it as is. Let's go find it and make sure we know where it is. Okay. I put it in brackets summer. Oh, hold on. Sorry.